What do you think of your new kitchen?
It's amazing. It's just incredible.
Well, we can't believe it. It's so different. It's a completely new space.
I love the size of it. I love how new and clean and just how classy it is. The colours, storage. It's just an amazing kitchen.
How does this kitchen compare to what you had before?
Oh, there's no comparison. It is unrecognisable, actually. I can't even remember where things were. It's just so wide and open, and I'm used to coming into a small, narrow, dark, cluttered kitchen, and now I'm in what feels like a new house. It doesn't feel like our house at all. Opening the bifold was quite a treat. The bifold gives me that adult, girly-night, social feel.
So what do you think of the storage generally?
Oh, it's amazing having so much. I love the drawers here. Well, you like the storage under the peninsula, which is really good.
Yeah, and it's going to be handy for the bread, for sandwiches, and even breakfast in the morning. Yeah, it's like storage all over the place. It's awesome.